Putting text on a textured photo usually has one problem. It looks flat. The material has bumps, folds, and cracks, but the text just sits on top like a sticker. Photoshop has a filter called Displace that makes your text bend along the texture underneath. The idea is simple. It reads the brightness of an image, pushing pixels one way where it's bright and the other way where it's dark. So you need to give it an image with only the texture. That image is called a displacement map. First, prepare your background image and your text. Pick a background with clear contrast in its shapes. Oil and water bubbles like this, or fabric, or crumpled paper. The sharper the shapes, the stronger the effect. First, turn off the text layer's visibility. The displacement map reads the flattened image of the whole file. So if the text is visible, it becomes part of the height data too. Press Ctrl or Command plus S to save. This save is your displacement map. Remember to keep it as a PSD file. Displace only accepts PSD. Turn the text layer's visibility back on. The displacement map is saved, so now it's the text turn. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Make sure the text layer is selected first. Displace works on whichever layer is active. The bigger the horizontal and vertical scale, the more extreme the effect. These two numbers are how far a pixel can get pushed. Feel free to adjust. Here I'll use 20. Coarser textures can take higher values. For fine fabric, 10 or less is plenty. Choose the file you just saved. This is that displacement map. The text will rearrange itself following its light and dark. Double-click the text layer to open layer style. What we want here is Blend If, inside Blending Options. Hold Alt or Option and drag the underlying layer slider handle. Holding Alt splits the handle in two, so the transition becomes a gradient instead of a hard cut. That blends the text into the image much more naturally. The dark parts of the background show through from under the text, so the material's light and shadow climb onto it. The key to this technique is the split between two steps. Displace handles shape, making the text follow the texture. Blend If handles brightness, letting the material's light fall back onto the text. Sticker or print, it comes down to that one extra save.